Hi guys, I'm coming to you today to show you Pampered Chef's close and cut. This is pretty cool. I use it for cherry tomatoes, grapes, butterflying your chicken or cutting them in half, slicing them in half. You can use them for olives that are pitted. It's really a really cool item. And it's only $30, guys. And you can get it with a set that comes with the knife too, one of our coated knives. But anyways, I want to show you how this works today. I don't know about you, but sometimes I don't know where they get these chickens that are so huge. I don't know where a chicken breast gets that big. Are they on steroids? What are they doing to our chicken breast to make our chickens get like this big? That's ridiculous. But anyways, what I'm doing is just cutting off the fat with one of the knives I have sitting here. Moving that over to the side. And I'm actually going to cut this chicken breast in half because I actually want it in fours for tonight for the recipe I'm making. So I'm doing half of it. You put it in here, and I'm going to show you how this works. Doesn't really matter which angle you go, whatever. Put it in, and it pushes. You can see how it pushes down. So you don't want to push down super hard, but you want to push down enough to get some. You don't want to leave it like that, but you want to push it down like that, okay? It's going to be hard for you to see, but I'm just pushing it down some, and now I'm running my knife in it. And yes, these are our really good knives. They're awesome. They come with a lifetime warranty. Now look at that chicken. It's going to cook up so much quicker for tonight's dinner. See how easy that is? And if I wanted to butterfly it, I just won't cut all the way through it. And then you got a perfect butterfly chicken. You can do the same thing with boneless pork chops. You could find many uses for our close and cut, guys. So tell me below what you would use it for. I want to hear from you. Have a great night. Bye.